I, Sudhir Singh, I'm here for GMP number 23 program. Really, I'm enjoying here, and my company is Quality Rubber. We are manufacturing rubber rollers in Indore, and we come here for learning some aspect of management. Actually, it was my dream from school days to go to XLRI, because XLRI is a leading institute in HR management. And as I'm in my running own industry, so there is day-to-day necessity of the HR management. That's why I came here, and XLRI is one of the best. Actually, those who has not been completed MBA courses, they can come here, because they will learn and they will start their second journey of career. This is the very much important, because they will give the inputs, case studies regarding the new challenges of the industries. So that's why they can come to here, learn, and they will enjoy here. Okay, that's fantastic.